Are you looking for the absolute cheapest car insurance without sacrificing quality coverage? You're in the right place. To find the best and most affordable car insurance, visit quote.com for amazing deals. Our free and easy-to-use comparison tool allows you to quickly and effortlessly compare rates from top-rated insurance companies that are eager to compete for your business. Today, we'll break down the top 10 car insurance providers offering the best savings and share expert tips to help you secure the most budget-friendly policy. Whether you're a new driver, a military member, or just looking to cut costs, this video will help you find the best deal. Let's get started. Car insurance isn't just a legal requirement, it's a financial safety net that protects you from costly accidents, damages, and liabilities. But that doesn't mean you have to pay a fortune. Many insurers offer competitive rates, and with the right strategy, you can find great coverage at an unbeatable price. Let's start with the top 3 providers that offer the lowest rates. These companies are well known for their affordability, excellent coverage, and customer satisfaction. Number 1, USAA. The best overall and cheapest for military personnel. If you're an active duty service member, veteran, or a family member of someone in the military, USAA is your best option for car insurance. With plans starting at just $22 per month, offering the lowest rates and some of the most comprehensive coverage options available. USAA holds an A++ rating from AM Best, demonstrating its strong financial standing and reliability, and provides exclusive savings and tailored benefits, such as coverage for deployed service members needing vehicle storage. With top-rated service and exclusive benefits, USAA is a smart choice for affordable car insurance. Number 2, Geico. Best for extensive discounts. Geico, known for offering some of the most extensive discounts in the industry, ranks second with plans starting at just $30 per month and an A++ rating from AM Best, ensuring its financial stability and reliability. Geico stands out for its wide range of discount opportunities, ideal for budget-conscious drivers. Visit quote.com to find the cheapest policy. Enter your zip code to quickly compare rates from leading insurance companies competing to offer you the best coverage and savings. Number 3, State Farm Insurance, best for local agents. State Farm is ideal for those who prefer working with a local agent, offering car insurance starting at $33 per month. Known for its dedicated agent network and personalized service, State Farm has over 19,000 agents nationwide to help customize policies. With a B rating from AM Best, it also offers savings through the Drive Safe and Save program. Steer clear for young drivers, and multi-car or multi-policy discounts. If those top 3 don't fit your needs, don't worry. Here are 7 more great options for affordable car insurance. Number 4, Travelers, best for financial standing. Travelers offers car insurance starting at just $37 per month, backed by an A++ rating from AM Best. Known for its strong financial stability, Travelers is a great choice for drivers looking for reliability and peace of mind. Visit quote.com today for great savings. Take advantage of our free quote comparison tool by entering your zip code to see personalized options that fit your needs. Number 5, Progressive, best for competitive rates. Progressive provides affordable car insurance starting at $39 per month, making it one of the top choices for budget-conscious drivers. Progressive rated A+ by AM Best. Progressive is known for its competitive rates and innovative pricing tools, such as the Name Your Price tool. Additionally, its Snapshot program rewards safe drivers with even lower premiums, making it a fantastic option for those looking to maximize savings through smart driving habits. Number 6, American Family, best for flexible coverage. American Family offers car insurance plans starting at $43 per month and holds an A rating from AM Best. This company stands out for its flexible coverage options, allowing policyholders to tailor their insurance to fit their needs. Ready to unlock your savings? Head over to quote.com and let us help you today. Just enter your zip code and instantly compare quotes from top insurers. It's fast, easy, and guaranteed the perfect coverage at the lowest price. Number 7, Nationwide, best for vanishing deductibles. Nationwide offers car insurance starting at $44 per month and carries an A+ rating from AM Best. This is a fantastic way to save over time while maintaining strong coverage. Number 8, Farmers, best for customizable policies. Farmers car insurance starts at $53 monthly and has an A rating from AM Best. This company is known for its highly customizable policies, offering a range of add-ons such as rideshare coverage, full windshield and glass repair, and accident forgiveness. Farmers is a great choice if you want a policy tailored to your needs. Number 9. Allstate, best for comprehensive coverage. Allstate provides car insurance starting at $61 monthly, backed by an A+ rating from AM Best. Allstate DriveWise program helps safe drivers save even more by monitoring driving habits and rewarding good behavior. Number 10. Liberty Mutual, best for multi-policy discount. Liberty Mutual's car insurance starts at $68 monthly. With an A rating from AM Best, the company is best known for its multi-policy discounts, making it a fantastic option for customers who bundle their homes, renters, or auto insurance. Liberty Mutual is worth considering if you want comprehensive coverage with valuable discounts. To compare rates, head to quote.com. Enter your zip code, compare options, and decide which offers the perfect policy for your needs. Besides choosing an affordable provider, here are some proven strategies to help you save even more on your car insurance premiums. Bundle your policies. Combine home, renters, and auto insurance for discounts. Take advantage of safe driving discounts. Many insurers reward accident-free drivers. Increase your deductible. Higher deductibles often mean lower premiums. Use telematics programs. Programs like Geico's Drive Easy or Progressive's Snapshot monitor your driving and offer savings. Compare quotes. Don't settle on the first price you see. Many insurance companies offer discounts that can significantly lower your rates. Here's a quick rundown of some of the best savings opportunities available. When lowering your car insurance premiums, taking advantage of discount programs offered by top providers can help you save hundreds of dollars each year. Here are some of the best ways to reduce your rates. Multi-policy discount. You can unlock significant savings if you bundle your car insurance with homeowners, renters, or another policy. Allstate, Liberty Mutual, and Nationwide offer multi-policy discounts that can lower your premiums while simplifying your insurance needs under one provider. Safe driver rewards. You deserve to be rewarded if you maintain a clean driving record. Geico, Progressive, and Travelers offer safe driver discounts that can slash your premium. Good student discounts. If you're a student with good grades, you can qualify for additional savings. State Farm, USAA, and American Family provide good student discounts, reducing rates to young drivers who maintain a B average or higher in school. Military discounts. Military service has great benefits, including lower car insurance rates. USAA, Geico, and Liberty Mutual offer exclusive military discounts for active duty personnel, veterans, and their families, helping service members get the best coverage at the lowest cost. Usage-based programs. Want a personalized rate based on how you drive? Progressive's Snapshot and Nationwide's Smart Ride are usage-based insurance programs that track your driving behavior and reward safe habits with significant discounts on your premium. You can cut costs without sacrificing quality coverage by taking advantage of these discounts. Check with your insurance provider to see which savings opportunities apply to you. Get car insurance quotes at quote.com. Simply enter your zip code to quickly compare quotes and find the best policy that matches your budget, coverage needs, and preferences. Finding the cheapest car insurance doesn't mean sacrificing coverage. You can save hundreds of dollars each year by taking advantage of discounts and tailoring your policy to fit your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing money-saving tips, tricks, and strategies to help you make the most of your hard-earned cash. Stay tuned for more helpful advice and hit the notification bell to never miss out on our latest content.